In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change iPhone keyboard. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off head over to settings and then scroll down and tap at General. After that, search for keyboard, and then at the very top you can easily find keyboards. Just get into it. That's where you can change iPhone keyboards. If you want to add new one, all you have to do is just tap where it says add new keyboard, and then you will be able to search for a keyboard that you want to add. You can just scroll down and select one of these keyboards, or you can search for a keyboard. Let's say I want to add French, so I can search for French just like that, and once you tap on a keyboard it will be added to that list, and then you will be able to switch between that keyboards in any time. Let me go to messages, and that's where I can show you how it works. In that simple way, by hitting add globe icon, I can switch between all of my keyboards in a row. If you want to remove some keyboards from that list, you can just swipe to the left and hit add delete, and that will immediately remove the keyboard from that list. That's how you can easily change iPhone keyboard. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.